When living in a region like Sumter, South Carolina, where the climate is known for its high humidity levels, homeowners face unique challenges in maintaining comfortable indoor environments. Humidity can make air feel warmer, dampen the air quality, and encourage the growth of mold or mildew in your home. A practical and often overlooked solution to improve ventilation in Sumter's humid climate is the installation of awning windows. These windows offer significant benefits for homeowners looking to optimize airflow while keeping the interior cool and dry. What are awning windows? Awning windows are a type of hinged window that open outward from the bottom, like an awning. This simple yet effective design makes them different from traditional windows that open sideways or upward. Awning windows can be installed in almost any room of your home, providing a modern and versatile option for enhancing natural ventilation. Unlike traditional windows, which may allow rain or strong winds to enter the home when open, awning windows are designed to keep water out. The design allows them to remain open even during light rain or storms, which is ideal for Sumter's unpredictable weather. Increased airflow, even in rainy weather. One of the key advantages of awning windows in Sumter's humid climate is their ability to improve airflow while keeping your home protected from the elements. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, which may require you to fully open them for proper ventilation, awning windows can be left open even during a light rain. This allows you to maintain a steady flow of fresh air, improving indoor air quality and reducing moisture buildup. Humidity often causes the air inside homes in Sumter to feel heavy and sticky, which can lead to discomfort. By allowing a controlled amount of outdoor air to circulate, awning windows help regulate humidity levels and bring in fresh, cooler air. The ability to open them even during rain or storms is especially beneficial in Sumter, where summer thunderstorms can be frequent and unpredictable. Enhanced privacy with proper ventilation. Another advantage of awning windows in a humid climate is the enhanced privacy they provide. Because they open outward, awning windows can be placed higher up on a wall, allowing for better airflow without sacrificing privacy. Homeowners can let in fresh air without worrying about prying eyes, which is especially beneficial in densely populated or suburban areas of Sumter. This type of window installation is particularly helpful in bedrooms or bathrooms, where natural ventilation is often needed but privacy is a concern. The ability to open the window at an angle ensures that you can enjoy fresh air without compromising your personal space. Reducing mold and mildew growth. One of the major challenges of living in a humid climate like Sumter is the increased risk of mold and mildew growth. These fungi thrive in damp, poorly ventilated areas and can cause health problems for residents. Awning windows are a fantastic solution to this problem, as they allow for consistent airflow that helps reduce indoor humidity levels. By improving ventilation and reducing moisture buildup, awning windows can make it harder for mold and mildew to take root in your home. In areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or basements, where humidity levels are typically higher, installing awning windows can go a long way in preventing the growth of these unwanted organisms. Energy efficiency and comfort. In addition to improving ventilation, Awning windows can also help with energy efficiency. In the hot and humid months, keeping your home cool while limiting energy use is a priority. By opening awning windows, you allow the cooler evening or early morning air to enter your home without relying on air conditioning. The design of awning windows also reduces the amount of heat that can enter through an open window, making it easier to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing energy consumption. Conclusion: awning windows offer a practical solution to improve ventilation in Sumter's humid climate. With their ability to provide fresh air even during rainy weather, enhanced privacy, and reduced risk of mold or mildew growth, they are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to maintain a comfortable and healthy living environment. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, consider the benefits of installing awning windows to take full advantage of natural ventilation in Sumter's unique climate. By choosing awning windows, you can enjoy better airflow, lower humidity levels, and a more comfortable, energy-efficient home.